Are you an influencer or a business or a brand owner struggling to get followers, subscribers, views on Instagram, Facebook or YouTube? You can get your instant solution to all your social media growth related hiccups right here. I'm going to share the secret mantra with you all. The GrowthX social media platform is India's leading instant growth platform where millions of customers and brands are, growing their social media presence and their business in less than 30 minutes. But you might be thinking that how does it work? Through their cutting edge P2P technology. But GrowthX really simplifies the whole thing. They simply set the goal ki you need followers or you need subscribers for YouTube, you need views, you need monetizable YouTube video views, and everything that you need, they will just do it for you. Just visit the website and choose whatever service you want. It took me so many years to grow because I did not have an option like this at that point of time. But now you can grow faster with reliable services and guaranteed results. GrowthX enables affiliates and influencers populate services through social media channels such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and also Twitter. There's so many, companies offering services in India, but GrowthX is one of the most reliable and trustworthy service provider that you can trust on. You can simply visit the GrowthX website. I have linked down everything in the description box. If you're really, struggling to gain followers, views, subscribers, and stuff, you just need to visit the GrowthX website. For your Instagram, YouTube, for Facebook or Twitter, you just need to select which service you want, and once your order is confirmed, within 30 minutes you will start seeing the results. But now the question is that why should you choose GrowthX? Right now, it's all about marketing on social media, how you market your videos and how you do it. But people spend lakhs and lakhs of rupees, a lot of money on ads, advertising on YouTube, Instagram and all the social media channels. But there's no guarantee that you will get the results, right? Even after spending money, you might not get the results. 24/7 customer support, 100% refunds, guaranteed if no results. They won't ask for any passwords. 100% privacy is guaranteed from their end. And safety is their assurance. You can get flat 25% off plus 10% off if you use this code Priyanka on the GrowthX website. Everything is mentioned in the description box. So if you are an influencer like me or a business or a brand, go check out the GrowthX website right now. And this is a limited time offer, so don't miss it.